The Poshan Abhiyan was launched by the Honorable Prime Minister in March 2018 to combat malnutrition at scale. Initially, all records covering nearly 14 lakh Anganwadi workers and close to 10 crore beneficiaries were maintained manually. To resolve these challenges, the Poshan Tracker was introduced. A digital platform was developed to capture all data electronically, enable real-time updates, allow for back-end monitoring, generate growth charts and simplify the daily routines of Anganwadi workers. The tracker is now available in 24 Indian languages and is being smoothly operated by Anganwadi workers through a mobile app on their smartphones. They upload every detail: meal distribution, home visits, growth measurements and children's attendance onto the tracker.
The goal of the Poshan Tracker is simple. No mother, no child should ever be left behind.
With Poshan Tracker, the government now makes key policy decisions and targeted interventions based on data and evidence. Each month, children's growth is monitored by logging their height and weight. Even gestational weight gain for expecting mothers is tracked consistently.
During my pregnancy, I've received the right nutrition and care thanks to Saksham Anganwadi. With Poshan Tracker, all the information reaches me on time and I know I'm being looked after.
The tracker now includes a beneficiary module, allowing new users to register, view available services and track benefits received. It also helps existing beneficiaries stay informed and supported. Poshan Tracker is more than just an app. It's a robust digital ecosystem. It enables departments working on welfare schemes to share data, coordinate activities, and ensure better convergence of services. This integrated approach has significantly amplified impact. This year, we are also introducing AI-based solutions to enhance insights and delivery. As India moves towards the Honorable Prime Minister's vision of a Viksit Bharat by 2047, Poshan Tracker stands as a critical pillar in that journey.